Hi guys and welcome to PC Tips Pro. In this video today we will see how you can calculate the shortest length between two cities, like the two places or 2 points using Google map. So let's say I have on the map here you can see I have two cities. One is Cambridge and one is London. So I want to calculate the shortest length or the distance between these two cities. So first, in order to calculate this distance, select any first point near about the city from where you want to calculate the distance. As soon as you select the point, then you get the option to click measure distance. So click on this, and then when you move your screen towards the city or towards the place till where you want to calculate the distance, the minimum distance, then you can just move your screen and take this point to that place, and then you can see here the kilometer, it's coming up down to the bottom here, which is 84.4. Now let's say if I want to calculate the distance in different direction, then I will have to just move the screen, and you can see, just take the point. Let's say if I want to calculate the distance between Birmingham and the Cambridge, then you can see the distance between Birmingham and Cambridge is 135 kilometer approx. So this is the best way, guys. You can calculate the minimum length of distance between any two places using Google Map. And that's all, guys, in this video. If you have any query, you can just write in the comment area. I will be there to answer. And guys, please do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.